Okay, start. This is cabinet lock VF304. Okay, default password 00. Okay, you can open. Once you want to change the password, from here, this side, in the right side, there's a button. Press, hold, don't remove the pin, and now set your new password. Now I make 999. Okay. Once you set already password, remove. Okay. Lock and change. After you cannot open. If in case you forgot the password, okay, this key, turn 180-degree, move until it will stop at the correct password. Time you can open, come back to this. Lock.
Now 999 again.
Now 999 999. Open.